Welcome back to Grandpa's Time. I'll show you a little footage here of some fox pups. I don't think they've been out of their den very long. They look young to me. Anyway, just wanted to talk today a little bit about life and living. I'm just taking a little walk, trying to get in shape for hunting. Should have a pack on, but it's midsummer, but it's still chilly enough to have a jacket on this morning. I was reading somewhere talking about don't just exist, actually live your life. I know we all have to work to pay our bills and everything, but there is more to life than that. Live your life. You've been given this life by our Creator. Maximize your existence here. A lot of people do drugs to make themselves feel better. Sometimes I drink beer. And I'm not going to judge people for what they're doing. But most of the time, I think they're just trying to make themselves feel better or feel different. And I think we'd all just feel different if we got outside. I see these young people hiking the Pacific Crest Trail and the Continental Divide Trail and the Appalachian Trail, and some other young people that I knew one girl that she saved her money and bicycled around Ireland for 3 or 4 months. Some people just like to spend their summers scouting and hunting like I do. Whatever it is you're doing, just do something. Get outside and do something. Live your life. Go skiing, go hiking, go hunting, go fishing. Get outside and get that different feeling that we probably need. Anyway, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world. There probably always is. It seems like I hear it and see it more nowadays, but I sometimes wonder if that's just because of the internet and our access to information. I think sometimes you need to unplug. Maybe that should be my name of this video, Unplug. Get outside and do something with yourselves, bushcraft or whatever you guys want to do. If you're not into one thing, there's something for everyone outside. Boating or riding ATVs, just getting outdoors and seeing some of this great country and explore some of this great country. Don't just spend your time in the truck or at the hotel or whatever. Get outside and see it and find it and live it. I really think we've gotten too attached to our phones, too attached to technology. Technology is great, it's a tool, But when I see the lack of people paying attention to their surroundings, even when I'm at work, you know, in the outside, I'll look out the window and there's a pot of killer whales sometimes or whatever, and there's a guy just sitting there on his phone. He's not seeing any of that because he's plugged in, I guess, or whatever you call it. I don't know. I know one guy that he won't even get on his social media or anything for the first 2 hours after he wakes up. And I think that's a pretty good rule. You know, go about your day, and yeah, it's great to check in on your friends and stuff, your online friends or whoever they are. But I don't know. I think that it's just that I'm separated from it by a couple generations, and grandkids, even your parents, are, you know, they were coming into it kind of late, as far as they had a childhood without the internet for the most part. And I think in some ways we're all better off without it. But the internet's also why you're able to watch these videos, or whoever's watching them, or if anyone's watching them. So there's good parts to it too. I think it's just how you use it. Anyway, I guess I'm just rambling, but take the time to unplug and get outside and put your phone away, get off the interwebs for a while, hang out with Grandpa while I'm still around. Anyway, okay, that's it for real this time. Love you guys.